In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel AliExpress order after payment. If you've just paid for something on AliExpress and changed your mind, you can usually cancel it as long as the seller hasn't shipped it yet. Here's how to do it clearly and safely. First, go to the AliExpress website and sign into your account. Make sure you're using the same account you placed the order with, otherwise you won't see it. After logging in, look toward the top of the page for your account menu and open My Orders. This page lists everything you've purchased along with each order's current status. Find the order you want to cancel and take a second to confirm the details: the item, the quantity, the price, and especially the status. If it says something like awaiting shipment or processing, cancellation is typically available. If it already shows shipped, the cancel option may not appear because the package is on its way. When you've selected the correct order, click Cancel Order. A small window will open asking for a reason. Pick the reason that most accurately describes your situation. Choosing the closest match helps the seller understand what happened and can speed up the approval. You might see options like ordered by mistake, need to change address, or found a better price. Select your reason, then confirm your request. After you confirm, AliExpress will submit the cancellation to the seller. In many cases, it's approved automatically if the order hasn't entered the shipping phase. You'll see the order status update to canceled once it goes through. If the seller has already started fulfillment, they may decline the request. In that situation, the cancel order button may disappear, and you'll need to wait for further updates within the order page. For payments, there's nothing else you need to do on your side. When a cancellation is approved, AliExpress processes the refund back to your original payment method. Banks and card issuers handle the timeline, so it may take several business days to appear, even though the refund has been released. You can always check the order details page for the latest status and the refund confirmation. That's all there is to it. Sign in, open My Orders, select the purchase, click Cancel Order, choose your reason, and confirm. Follow these steps promptly after payment for the best chance of a successful cancellation. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you cancel your AliExpress order confidently.